Good morning. This video is to provide you further direction on how to find the student videos and resources associated with the video. You can see that I'm logged into my daughter's dashboard. This is the main screen. Find the activities and videos. Here's a blue tab that says Student Activities and Video Resources. Click on that, open it up. Now week 1 is shown here. Right here it says select from drop down. So you click on this big red tab and it opens up a drop down menu. You select week 2 video and resources. Here's the video. Now this video is all about reading strategies for English and French, and some specific reading strategies for French immersion program. After watching the video, you do the activities. And right here, it says downloadable PDFs. This right here, Gaëtan et le Gros Gâteau, that's this book. So these activities, you click on that, it opens it up a new screen. Now you don't have to download and print these off. I've done these activities with my daughter and I didn't print this off at all. It's not important that you print it off. You can just write these on a separate piece of paper. But there are 2 pages here. A vocabulary page, and then écrire tes pensées, write your thoughts. So those are the 2 activities that I would like Lucas to do. Again, student activities, blue tab, open that up. Drop down menu, look for your correct week. We're in week 2. Watch the video. Activities are found right here. And it will be the same format from week to week. Bonne chance.